guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Marshayla. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get your brushes from dirty to clean without using any special products. Let's get into it. I found this recipe for this cleaning solution on Pinterest and I've been using it for years. It's the only thing I use to clean my brushes. We're starting off with dishwasher liquid, and you can use any type of dishwasher liquid that you have at home. Make sure you pour enough for your brushes. The next ingredient that you need is olive oil. You literally only need the tiniest bit of oil in this cleaning solution to get the job done. Then you want to mix the dishwashing liquid and oil together until the dishwasher liquid changes colors, and that's when you know it's ready. It kind of looks like orange juice, but please don't drink it. Please now. This brush cleaning scrubber is optional. I got mine from the dollar store for $1. I love it. I use it all the time. If you don't have one, you can use your hands as well. But you want to place your brush into the cleaning solution, grab your brush cleaning scrubber or your hands, and scrub the makeup out of that brush. I do not like to put my brushes constantly in the water because that's how it breaks down and the hairs can start falling out. So I clean the mat instead, put some water on it, and then go back in and start scrubbing. To get all of that dirty soap out of the brush, you want to hold the brush facing downwards. If you hold it up towards the water can get into the bristles and break down the glue that holds the bristles to the brush. We don't want that. We want our brushes to last forever. So when you hold the brush facing downwards, that limits the water from getting into that glue. Yes, honey, the brush is clean. She looks brand new. She looks fresh out of the box. And then I just repeat the same steps over until all my brushes are clean. Super simple, super easy. Everybody got dishwashing liquid. Everybody got olive oil. You might not have a brush scrubber, but you can use your hands. I've used my hands plenty of times. You do not need any type of special brush cleaner or anything like that to get those brushes nice and clean. Child, I know you don't want to, but we gotta clean our brushes regularly, especially if you're doing makeup 2 or 3 times a week. You want those brushes to be clean to limit bacteria and breakouts on your face, honey. Do not forget to clean those brushes, okay? I used to slack, but then I started breaking out when my brushes get dirty, so now I clean mine religiously. I also use this cleaning solution on my beauty blenders, and they literally come out brand new. Once I'm done, I let my brushes air dry and they are ready to go for the next day. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.